Welcome to Cooking with Miss Smith and
This is French.
Nate. What are we cooking today?
We are cooking homemade ice cream
For who?
for Miss Maddy.
Maddie, it's your 16th birthday. How exciting. We thought we'd make a dessert today. So come along with us.
You'll find out how it's done for when we make our very own homemade ice cream. First, you'll need a Ziploc bag, like a gallon or midi-sized.
Yep.
Remember, if you're a little too young to be doing this, ask an adult for help. Step 2, we need to pour in some ice.
How much ice?
Until it's full.
Until about halfway, right?
Yeah.
Keep going. Oh, that looks good to me. Look at that. We're about halfway filled, which is exactly what we need to do. Nice job.
Why, thank you. Now you'll need a half cup of salt. Either regular salt or a different kind of salt. In it goes. Now, as you can see, next up, we have a cup full of half and half. Now we're going to put a half teaspoon of vanilla.
Nice and easy. Good job.
Now you need to pour your half teaspoon of vanilla and 1 cup of
Half and half.
half and half
Nice job.
into this bag that I'm holding against the bowl.
Yeah, you put it in the bowl for support so he wouldn't drop the baggie.
Now you'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Good job leveling that off.
Thanks.
So 1, 2. Nice job.
As you can see, Miss Smith has already zipped up the small bag and is now putting it inside the big Ziploc bag. Now we need to shake it for 5 minutes.
And then make sure that you tighten this bag tight as well. This is the fun part where we get to shake it, like Nate said, for 5 full minutes. You want to make sure that it's got the ice over it. And we shake it all up for 5 minutes. So we'll need a timer. Okay, here we go.
Our 5 minute starts now.
Shake it, Nate. I gave up. My arms got too tired. Nate's too strong for me, though. Go, go, go!
As you can see, it's pretty well frosted and been turned into an ice cream.
So now what do we need to do?
We place it in a bowl.
Yeah. So look, it turned into vanilla ice cream because we use vanilla. So you can add flavoring and stuff to it, but Nate and I like vanilla, so we're just going to eat that today. But now you can add like sprinkles and syrup and all those wonderful things that other people like. But we're probably just going to have the ice cream. There we go.
And then voila! You got your very own homemade ice cream. Now time for a little taste test.
Boing! Thumbs up. What does it get? 10 out of 10?
But don't eat too fast. You'll get a brain freeze.
Thanks for coming to Cooking with Miss Smith, and
This is French.
I hope our ice cream tasted good. Did it, Nate? All right.
And I do hope that that Miss Maddy would enjoy our video.
Yep. Happy birthday, Miss Maddie. 16. What a big number.
Sweet 16.
Crazy, huh?
Wowzers, indeed.
All right. Have a great weekend.
See you next time.